Okay, so now that we've uploaded our brand assets over here at Canvas Brand Kit, the next thing that we're going to do is to fill in our brand style guide right here. So the brand style guide is consisted of different parts. So we start with the feature logo. Then next to that are the brand imagery. So this is like your mood board, which you're going to fill in. Next, we have our logo assets, the color palette, and the brand font. So all of these are already on the brand kit. We just need to fill in one by one. So we'll start with the feature logo. So what I'll do is I'll add a color from our from our color palette where the logo can sit in so we can see it even more. All right, and then so that's the color, and then we'll add the logo. So to access the logo, we'll just have to click this one here on the left, and I'll use this one. So it's already here. Just need to carefully drag it over to where you want it to be. Okay, so now we have our feature logo. Next to that, we have the brand imagery. So for this one, I'm going to make use of the images that I've uploaded earlier, which are these. So you can see we have the yellows and oranges prominent on each photo. So what I'll do is I'll just click on each photo and then just drag it into place, and then it'll snap into the frames where you want them. Okay, so I'll just fill in the rest. Okay. So for free images, there are some images available here on Canva. So you just need to click on elements, or you can make use of those free stock photo providers like FreePic or Unsplash as well. You can just find them on Google. Okay, so after we're done with the brand imagery, we'll apply the logo. So the logos are here once again. So we have the primary logo. So let's say it's this one. So to scale, just click on this part here. Adjust it to the size that you want it to be. And then if you'll notice, it usually has the indications like these. So you'll know how big your logos are. Right. Okay, then we'll fill in the last part with this. Okay. And then for the color palette, we'll refer to the ones we've uploaded over here. Okay, so we'll start with the, sorry, you'll have to click this part. Then just add in the color. So we also need to add the hex codes for these. So for this one, it's EF 5B25. And the next one will be 0 7424. That is the yellow. And that is 58032. White one is going to be this. And the hex code that will go with that is EDF 2DC. Going to add in gray as well. So that's part of our color palette. It's this one right here. The hex code for that is 2B 2B 2A. Right. So now that we're done with the color palette, we'll take care of the brand fonts next. So we have two, which is mid-century. So we just need to click this button here. So it's a drop-down menu where you'll find all the fonts. So we have mid-century regular, and I'll just change the name here. You can just zoom in. You can see what you're typing in. Mid-century regular. Then we'll just change the rest into the same font. Okay, so now that we have the primary font, which is mid-century regular, we'll change the next one into the secondary font, which is Slato. So we'll just set that in, and we'll change it here, same as the first one, as well as these parts. Okay, and there you have it. So after this, so say for example, you have your website as well, you can indicate that here below. So for example, I'll use ours, which is LBX Agency. So there you have it. So you've already completed your brand style guide, and you can now use it to ensure that your brand assets are all consistent. You can also give this to your to the people who's helping your business, whether that be the marketing pieces or the social media, so that they can stay on brand with you as well. Thank you.